So today we are going to be recreating this makeup look. This look is perfect for your next special occasion. So if you want to get this beautiful makeup look, just keep on watching. Okay, so we're going to start off by using our Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel, and then we're going to go into our primer, and we're just going to pat that all over our skin. For an extra glow, we're going to go in with the Milani Glow Drops just to give us that radiant look. My favorite finishes for any special occasion is either matte or a natural radiant finish, and today we're going to be doing natural radiance. You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm reading a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Later talk, body talk, there's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. For brows, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil like I always use in a dark brown, and we're going to start filling in those brows. And then we're going to clean up our brows using the concealer from Too Faced in Maple. To color correct, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Orange Corrector, and that's just to correct all of my dark marks so we can have an even skin tone before we apply our foundation. For foundation, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal True Match in 8. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going down my mind. To highlight, I'm going to go back in with that Too Faced Concealer in Maple. And today we're going to highlight under our eyes, our nose, our cupid's bow, our chin, and a little bit right over our brows. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space?
Baby, you're brave, boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug.
Then we are going to blend everything out using one of my favorite brushes from Real Techniques, and this is the concealer brush. And I want you guys to watch how this concealer just melts into my skin. I love this brush.
Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been thinking of myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going down my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going down my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
For contouring, we're going to go in with the Black Radiance Cream Contour Palette, and we're just going to contour our nose, our cheeks, a little bit on our forehead. Contouring is all about structuring, so we're just going to place that contour shade everywhere where we want to bring the shadows back in our face.
Lights out, I'm your favorite. Too many ways, been in your place, there's the layers. Add it up, plus sign, zeros on the table. Driving and vibing, bring the beer later. Wanna make it bigger, just a little bit of flavor showing up to my space, I'm a fashion dealer. I'm your biggest bidder, meet me in the middle. I just don't wanna settle under these lucid dreams. I'm not just a visionary, it's all making sense to me. Not a basic, ain't no ordinary. Stay put, we gon' get higher.
Using the NARS bronzing cream, I'm just going to bronze up my skin, and this is in the shade Laguna number 4, one of my favorite new products that I just added to my makeup collection. Love this product, it's absolutely gorgeous, and it is definitely going to give you that sun-kissed glow.
You're the product, I could be your buyer. Under these lucid dreams, I'm not thinking off my head yet. Just being honest, what's the big difference? Yeah.
Now we are actually going to conceal again, and I'm going to go in with 2 different concealers. The first one, we are going to put the Too Faced concealer in caramel in our inner corner, and then we're going to go back in with maple, also from Too Faced. Then we're going to start blending out that contour on our nose.
And I've been feeling my own inertia. Just being honest, there's no difference. And more is okay. I don't want to just feel under these lucid dreams. I'm not just a visionary. It's all
For the concealer, we're going to start blending that out with our blending sponge, and then we're going to go right in and set that product with the Laura Mercier setting powder and honey.
making sense to me. Not a basic, ain't no ordinary. Stay put, we gon' get higher. You're the product, I could be your buyer. Under these lucid dreams, I'm not thinking off my head yet. I'm just feeling lazy, just be honest, baby. We got different phases, give it all, take it all. I'm just feeling lazy, just be honest.
And the key to setting your under eye is making sure that you are looking up when you are putting the setting powder underneath your eye so your concealer will not crease. You have to keep looking up. Try not to look down because then you're going to be setting the setting powder actually in your lines. So you want to make sure that you always look up and place the setting powder, and then you can look straight again because you don't want any creasing on your special day. And because I put concealer over my eye as well, well, I like to set my entire eye and also the front of my eyebrows as well.
Honest baby, we got different phases. Give it all, take it all. 말리부 가서 한 잔에 쪽 마시는 blue lemonade. 술은 필요 없어 다 끝나기 전에. Yeah. Under these lucid dreams, yeah, I'm not just a visionary. It's all making sense to me. Not a basic, ain't no ordinary. Stay put, we gon' get higher. You're the product, I could be your buyer. Under these lucid dreams.
Going in with the Milani All-Inclusive palette, I love to use the bronzing shade on this palette to set my nose contour. It's not harsh at all, and it's just a very pretty brown shade.
I'm not thinking off my head, yeah.
And I like to take that same shade up into my crease. Then I will switch to a more fluffy brush to spread that product out even more and blow it out in my crease and going up into my brows. Going in with the Milani Gilded Mini Palette, I love this shade range, and I'm just going to place that all over my lid. The Milani brand is literally one of my favorite brands, whether drugstore, and even considering high-end brands. I just love the Milani brand. You can get a professional makeup look using drugstore products. So I'm going to use the darkest shade on this palette to deepen the shade in my crease area. So we're just going for a nice, clean look. And this look can transition with different outfit changes as well, because it's very simple, but it's elegant, beautiful. I love a beautiful neutral look. And then I'm going to go in and use the same shade that I used on my lid, and I'm going to place that right in my brow bone area. Going in with my favorite matte black eyeliner from CoverGirl. So we're not going to do a long wing eyeliner. We're going to keep it very short and classic and clean. You guys make sure you check the description box because I will have all the products that I use down below. Now these are my favorite lashes from Ardell, and these are the Eco Lashes. And then I'm just going to take a black eyeliner pencil and I'm going to tight line under my eyes before I apply my lashes. My absolute favorite mascara to use is the Benefit Roller Lash, but for your special day, if you know you're going to be a little emotional, I would suggest using a waterproof mascara. We lost a little bit of that shade on our lid after applying our lashes, so I'm just going to go back in and apply the same shade from the Milani Gilded palette. Sweeping off our setting powder, I'm just going through and I'm actually doing a sweeping motion, but I'm also kind of pressing that setting powder in the skin as well, because we want to make sure that our makeup stays in place all day. So I'm going to go back in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel to brush our brows back in place again. And we're going to set our face using the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Then we're going to get into some highlighting. I love this highlighter from Makeup Revolution. I believe it's called Make an Impact. Really beautiful rose gold shade. So I'm just going to place that in my brow bone area, on the bridge of my nose, all over my cupid's bow. And I like to place it like in between my eyebrows as well, but you guys can do whatever you want. Wherever you want to highlight at, you highlight, girl. Now for blush, I'm actually going to go in with the Juvia's Place blush palette in volume 1, and I'm going to take this really pretty, it seems kind of plum or purple shade, and I'm just going to start packing that on to bring a little color into this look. And I'm also going to take that color up into my crease as well, just to kind of bring the look together. For lips, as always, I'm going to go in with my MAC lip liner in Chestnut, and then we're going to go in with this lipstick from Huda Beauty, and it's called Wedding Day, which is obviously fitting for this video. It's like this beautiful pink nude shade, and I don't wear it often, but every time I wear it, I absolutely love it. And then I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place lip gloss, and this lip gloss is in the shade Brown Sugar. I still love a highlight in the inner corner, so I'm going to go back in with the highlighter we used earlier, and I'm going to place that right in my tear duct area just to brighten up our eyes a little bit more. And I'm going to set my entire face with my pressed powder from Black Radiance. I believe it's in the shade Bronze Glow, but make sure you check the description box below because that's where all the product details will be. You want to set your entire face. Now here, I am using the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray again, but I would also suggest using the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. It will be flawless for your entire event. This is the finished product, you guys. Absolutely love it. So if you guys have some of these products below, tell us how you like the products down below in the comments. And let's just put each other on like new products, maybe that I haven't talked about, especially for special occasions, because sometimes it can be a little nerve-wracking when you want a certain look. And let's say you can't afford to have a makeup artist and everything. Let me know some tips that you have and some products that you love as well. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one.
You have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah.